What is going on, my boo? It is your girl Stacey Woo. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, what is going on, boo? Welcome. Today, honey, you already know we're going to be busting it up, playing in some makeup, period. The girls have been in my inboxes and they have been telling me, Stacey, we are feeling the glam. We are here for the glam. But every time I put my glam on and put my mask on, it ain't a real good combo. We ain't really feeling it. So with that being said, I have some cool tips and tricks on how to keep your glam still being beat, still looking the bomb, with still putting on a mask. You feel what I'm saying? So if you want to see how I created this look, make sure you guys keep on watching. So we are going to be jumping right into it. Number one, you definitely need to hydrate your face and do a lot of skin prep before you put in anything on. You feel what I'm saying? So we are going to be jumping into the Hello Hydration face cream by e.l.f. I use this all the time. Since my skin is dry, you know what I'm saying? Like desert island, I be having to really have my skin very moisturized before I put any foundation on my face. Nice and moisturized. So now since we have that down, we can start off with priming. And for priming, I'm going to be jumping into the Pure Canvas Primer, and this is from Mercier. You know, put this all on my face. Quick tip for priming, I think you should not be using any luminous primers, any type of primers that have any type of oil. With a mask, you definitely need to be matte, okay, boo? I tried it with some luminous foundation, slid right off all over my mask. Hot mess. You don't want to go through that. You don't want half of your face on your mask. That's not the way we was rolling. You dig me? So don't do it. Next, we're going to be jumping into foundation. And of course, the foundation is going to be mattifying. We're going to be jumping into this Morphe foundation. This is the matte foundation F4110. This is the color that I'm in, okay? We're going to be taking a beauty blender. I actually got this beauty blender from Shein, painted by Spencer. Put me on this beauty blender. This beauty blender is so good. Like, it really, really, really gets a flawless finish. Y'all know I be doing brushes a lot. Y'all know. I'm stepping out of the box. Stepping out. Blend that in real good. Real good. I haven't been able to do any videos last week. Oh my God, you know I missed y'all because I had... Yes. Did you see that? You know I missed y'all, whatever. I had to take another break, another week break off of my videos, honey, because why I went and got the IUD last week. I'm not ready for any more kids right now, and due to me having DVT, you know, it's not good to have hormonal birth controls. So I had to get the IUD. I was actually on Depo. When I tell you, okay, it hurted like for a whole week. Like I was on my behind. Like I was a little irked about it. But I'm feeling a little bit better. It's not crampy. So anybody that is interested in getting the IUD or whatever like that, I will let you know that it didn't hurt going in, but I was cramping over the week, and that's why I didn't really feel like doing any videos, you know what I'm saying? Now I'm kind of cool. I'm not cramping or whatever. So I'm so happy I'm better and I'm back at it. But we're gonna be moving right along. We are going to be jumping into concealer, and we're going to be jumping into the Charlotte Tilbury. You already know about the Charlotte Tilbury. I use the color fonts, but it's the dark fonts. It's in the color 13, and we gonna lay this right under. I noticed when I also do my glam too that I do not be doing heavy makeup also when I'm going to be wearing a mask and being glam. Less is so much more, you know what I'm saying? But I'm gonna cover these dark circles because I know you see them. I definitely been working, definitely been tired, hot in these bags. So with that being said, we just gonna take a little bit and just put this right here, just like that. But yeah, that IUD, oh my God, it really hurt. I was like, oh man, I cannot believe it. So next we're going to be jumping into another concealer, and we're going to be jumping into the Born This Way by Too Faced in the color Butterscotch. Lay it right under just like this. I usually go all down and all around like that. But when I'm wearing a mask and I'm getting glam, I usually just keep the highlight up here because you really want to be careful with putting smacking a whole bunch of glam up there, you know, because it's just going to rub off and you're going to have a crease. So this is basically how I do it so it don't necessarily rub off. So now I'm gonna let that sit because I want that to dry down just a little bit. And we're gonna jump into contour, and you already know we're gonna be jumping into the what? The bobbi brow. So now we're gonna blend this in. Honey, this definitely dries fast. You have to definitely be blend, you know? But giving it that flawless finish. You know, you gotta have that flawless finish. I just want to put a little bit more. And I'm gonna let that sit down. And I am going to blend out this contour, honey. Baby, we can do it. Take your time, do it right. We can do it, baby. I be tripping doing my makeup. So now I'm gonna just take that, blend that out. When you use a beauty blender, it is much faster to do your makeup. It is. I gotta have my powder ready. I gotta do it. I gotta have my powder ready. But I definitely be putting a lot of powder on too because, honey, I want this to be matte and I don't want this to move. I'm a creaser, and to be honest, I have not had a product that has stopped my creasing. Name it. Cause you ain't had one that stopped yours either. Now they control them, but they don't stop them. And now we're gonna look a little ugly right now. We're gonna look a little chalky, and we're gonna jump into eyebrows. My eyebrows actually been coming across like they growing. Honey, you ain't gonna be able to tell me nothing. But for real, they just come across like they growing. And I definitely got an eyebrow tutorial coming for you boos, cause I've been seeing y'all in my inbox saying like, I need an eyebrow tutorial. And to be honest, this was my main struggle, eyebrows. Anybody can tell you, honey, like no. TaylorMade helped me out with my eyebrows though. She did. TaylorMade Jane, she helped me out a lot with my eyebrows. That's why I use pomade, cause of her. But eyebrows was so hard for me. Sometimes they still be looking jacked up. I don't be caring. Listen, one thing I don't want though is them Crayola eyebrows, them little ones that you could tell they drawed in. Like, we not doing that. Absolutely not. Honestly. Truly. And I just sat here and just like talked to y'all and did my eyebrows. I'm on a roll. So now we gonna clean these eyebrows up. I'm gonna be quiet for this because we got to hurry up. So now since we had that down, you already know we're going to be jumping into the Stacey Maire palette. And I'm going to be jumping into the M514 brush. And I'm going to be tapping into Intuition. Tapping this in my corners, just like that. Matter of fact, let me bring you a little closer. Okay. So now we're going to take that Intuition and we're going to just bring it right in the front of the eye. And just keep pressing that up. So now since we have that down, we're going to be jumping into some glitter liquid eyeshadows. I picked these up from Shein. Oh my God, y'all, this website is so decent. Anyway, I got these little cute little trios. So I wanted to use one of them, okay? Because I'm wearing blue and this is giving me iridescent blue vibes. I was thinking about doing this one. Hold on, can you see it? Just take some and then just take a brush and blend that in. I didn't even put an eyeshadow in between this. Like, it's really giving me like really cute vibes. I just love that color though. Like, this color is like lit. If it was a little bit more pigmented, oh, this would be lit. I don't know, but for some reason I always contour my nose last. We're going to be taking nitro and putting this in our waterline. And I'm gonna jump right back into that Intuition, and we're gonna smack that Intuition right under the waterline. And just blend it out because I'm not using anything else. I'm only using one color. And then we can jump into mascara and prep these lashes, honey, okay?
Got to be quiet when you're snatching the nose. You got to be.
So now we're going to jump into the Cocoa Naughty and we're going to clean his face up. So now I'm gonna jump into this Trendsetter and line my lip. And for lip, I have bought the new Out and Pout by Morphe. This is the Chill Lip Duo. So this one is actually boy toy. See how this one. And now for the gloss, this is actually Cruising, but we're actually not gonna put this on yet because it's not really good to have a gloss on with your mask. My lip always gets on my mask. Even if I have a matte on, my lip still gets on my mask. With that being said, we're gonna save the gloss for after everything, after I put the mask and everything on. And now we're gonna jump into highlight. And for highlight, y'all know my fave, the Over It in the Stacey Maire palette. We're going to be jumping into that. Not doing too much, but doing something. I live for a highlight now, for real. So real quick, before we throw this lip on or whatever, I want to give you guys the mask test.
This is what we here for. You dig me?
So I got a mask, clean, and we are going to definitely put this on. So now let's put this mask on. Mask is on. All right, let's take it off. Now, of course, your lip is going to be on there, but baby, okay? Boom. So now, since we have that down, honey, we're going to throw this lip on, and this lip again is Cruising with the Homie. It's like, no, I had a little clueless moment, but this is definitely called Cruising. You dig me? And this is the glam for your mask, boo. Like, come on. Like, I hope you guys enjoyed this look. I hope you guys enjoyed all the tips and tricks, you know. And so now when you put your mask on, you still gonna have a face.
You dig me? I did that for you.
Thank you so much for watching this video. I really love you, boo. High five? Or you gonna leave me hanging? Whatever, it is what it is. But if you did, do not forget to smash that like button and also leave me a comment down below. Also, my boo, if you are watching me and haven't subscribed yet, what is you waiting for? Like, you might as well subscribe. You watched it this whole time. You still not gonna subscribe to my channel? Stop playing with me, okay? It's like, no, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell button too, because you do not want to miss my upcoming videos. Make sure you don't forget to do that, okay? But with that being said, I love you so much. Thank you so much for watching this video, watching me grow in makeup. Like, I really came a long way. But I love you guys so much. Don't forget to keep God first, and I will see you, boo, in my next video. Mwah. Peace.